Oh my gosh, guys, this is so crazy. This is the entrance to West 75th Street from Columbus Avenue. A plow clearly came by and cleared Columbus Avenue, sort of, and then left these big mounds. If you have to get onto West 75th Street, you literally have to drive through this. If you don't have four-wheel drive, or at least maybe an SUV, it's not worth going down one of these streets because you'll never make it. And we even saw a police cruiser go by and the tires were spinning trying to make it through this mess. And this is basically the story this morning. Cars will have to dig out behind me. It's so tough to get through one of these streets. You can see at least this is an SUV making it through with the tires spinning quite a bit. It's not easy to get through this. It's sort of treacherous. The sidewalks, yes, they were salted, but it's so slippery because everything has frozen. Cars are buried. It's not enjoyable. You need to factor in an extra 30 minutes for the hassle just to dig out if you need to. People, though, are making some money off of this. Check it out. In this snowstorm, tires are spinning, shovels are grinding, drivers are frustrated.
Mark, I have to know, why did you think it was a good idea to leave? Where are you going?
Actually, I was about to go clean my building. I got a building I got to take care of, so that's why I was trying to go, thinking the streets was clear enough, but it's not.
Stuck for more than 20 minutes, Mark was trying every trick in the book, including car mats under the tires.
It didn't work. It's too much snow on the floor.
Then his savior comes walking down the street, shovel in hand.
My middle name is Blizzard.
Jack is hustling.
You're sweating.
Yes, I am.
How tough is it to shovel this out?
It's tough. You got to have some muscles to do this.
Helping drivers dig out to make a pretty penny.
Took you, what, 30 minutes to make 40 bucks?
Absolutely.
That's pretty good.
Now I'm going home in a warm house, and I'm going to thank God that I made that 40 bucks tonight.
That's not bad, right? $40 in 30 minutes? Anyway, it's worth it because this snow is so heavy and thick. You can see this guy's going to have to dig out soon, right? But you can see he left his windshield wipers up. The top of this is frozen, so you have to break through it and then get through the fluff, right? But it's all so heavy. For this driver to even get inside of his car, he has to clear this out, or this person has to clear this out. It's going to be so heavy and time consuming. And then, of course, the windows and the windshield, all frozen. So the dig hasn't started yet. No one's been really awake on this street, or at least they haven't come out. Few people just walking, getting out, checking the conditions. No one's started to dig out, though. The plows have been out. We've seen the buses moving, so that is a good note. School, of course, is remote today. My kid's teacher already emailed saying attendance will be taken at 8:30, so make sure you're logged on and ready to go. We're live on the Upper West Side. I'm Calorama. We'll send it back to you.